Hey friends, how are you guys? We really have been missing you guys at school. All of your second grade teachers are really missing you. Today I'm coming to you because I'm going to be recording our reading and writing videos for us. So for the next 3 weeks, you guys will get a video showing you what your jobs as writers are going to be for the rest of the week. So we chose a very exciting unit for you guys to work on at home. This is probably my favorite unit of the entire year that we work on. It's called our research unit. So you guys have learned all during our second grade year as writers, you've learned to do different types of writing. You've done poetry, you've done personal narratives, small moments, and you've also done some informational writing, where you guys got to choose a topic that you knew a lot about, and then you got to teach someone else about what you knew. Well, this unit is our research unit, and it's similar to our informational unit for we are teaching someone something, but you're going to be teaching them something that you aren't familiar with, a new topic for you. So I want us to talk about some things that you have in your packet. So for one, you should have an animal book. Unfortunately, since we're not at school, your teachers had to choose the books for you. So whatever animal that you got, we just kind of have to have a good attitude about it and work with it. Today we're going to research to answer questions about tigers. When we look through books about our topic, we want to use words and pictures to collect facts. Remember, facts are true information. They will be true whether you say it, your parents says it, it is true. True facts. We want to be careful too that you guys use your own words when you're writing. We don't want to copy the words straight from the book. We want to put things in our own words. We want to collect words and phrases and about your topic. So about tigers, for example. And you're going to take notes on a graphic organizer that looks like this. Today we're going to work together to work on the habitat part of your graphic organizer. But first, we're going to have to do a little bit of research. So the first thing I want us to do is I'm going to read you a little bit about tigers. And after the video, you're going to have to read information about your animal. All right, we're going to start on page 4. This section is called Perfectly Big Cats. Tigers are big and beautiful animals. They are strong and powerful too. Tigers are the biggest cats in the world. A tiger's home. Tigers live in the forest. They spend a lot of time in the water too. They live in hot places like Indonesia. They live in cold places like Russia. Tigers that live in cold places are bigger than other tigers. They also have a thicker fur to keep them warm. So I want us to talk about some facts that we heard while I was reading. So one fact is that tigers like to live in forests. They like the shade. So no matter where the tiger lives, they're always going to be looking for some shaded areas to live. Today, writers, what we're going to do is I'm going to work with you to take some notes on habitats of tigers. Okay, so I'm going to go to my graphic organizer. And while I'm pulling this graphic organizer up, I'm also looking at my book, my tiger book. So I'm going to start by jotting down some phrases that stuck out to me about where a tiger lives. So my animal name will be Tiger. And then your teachers are asking that you have 3 to 4 facts per category. which means that you will need two to three facts for habitat, 2 to 3 facts for diet, or 3 to 4, excuse me, 3 or 4 facts for diet, 3 to 4 facts for description, and then 3 to 4 facts for interesting facts. So I'm going to start with habitat right here. We read in the book about a tiger's home. So based on that information, I'm going to take some notes to help us remember where a tiger lives. So in the book, it said that tigers live in forests. So I'm going to jot that down. And I'm going to put in parentheses for shade. Notice that I'm not writing complete sentences yet. This is just a process to get some information down on your paper. We also read that tigers spend time in the water. That might be a surprising fact for some people. In the book, it also mentioned a couple of places where you can find a lot of tigers. It said that hot places in Indonesia, and it also said that they could be found in the cold places of Russia. Now, there's a specific tiger that lives in Russia, and this tiger is called the Siberian tiger. So I'm going to put that in parentheses so we know that that's the type of tiger that lives there. So you see how I completed this graphic organizer. So now I'm going to bring you back where you can see me. And it's okay if you have more than 3 to 4 facts. If you end up getting 6, 7 facts per category, that's okay. So today, your job as writers is to work on your habitat category in your graphic organizer. So you will complete this section. Remember, we're asking for at least 3 to 4 facts about where your animal lives. All right, guys, I can't wait to see you guys' work. Try your best, okay? Have a good day.